Welcome again to an Ant for Kids lesson. I'm going to show you how to make a worm that you can then attach to your face shield or mask. So to start a new project, I will click on the plus sign in the top right corner and then select Shape It. We will start by using the Add Material tool. So click on the tool and make sure it turns blue. Then you can click on your screen. We will use the sharpen tool again at the back so we have a flat surface to print it and attach it to your mask or face shield. So turn off Add Material and then click on one of the faces. The heads up toolbar will appear where you can select Sharpen. While that face is still selected, use your blue arrow to push it back slightly. Then you can change to a front view. Remember the flat side should be at the back. We will use this ball we created to build the rest of the body. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. I want to move this ball over to the side so I have more space. So I will hold in Control and my right mouse button and drag it over to the side. If you still have your arrows on your ball, that's perfect. If you don't, you can use your Select Body tool to select it. Now while holding in Control, click on your arrow to drag another ball over. The body will consist of all these different balls. You don't have to make an exact copy of mine, as long as you have 6 balls and make sure they are attached to each other. When you are happy with your worm's body, you can copy a 7th ball over for the head. And then enlarge it using your yellow scale handle. Change to a side view and make sure the back of the balls line up perfectly. Change to a front view again so we can add some eyes. We will add eyes by using the Shapes tool and selecting the ball. Change to a side view and bring the ball forward. Now you can size and position the eyes using the arrows and the yellow scale handle. If you are happy with the position from the front, change to a side view and then push the eye into the head so that it sticks out about halfway. Now the eye is ready to be copied over to the other side. By holding in Control, I will copy over the other eye. Now we can create the mouth. Click on Shapes again and select the torus shape. We will rotate this shape, so change to a side view again. Click on the circle around the yellow one for the rotation circles to come on, and then rotate it so that it is upright. Rotate your view a little bit by holding in your right mouse button and dragging. Now we will remove material so we only have half a ring left. Click on Remove Material. If the faces don't highlight, just click on Select Body again and then on Remove Material. Now you will see where the faces highlight, we will be removing the material. If you get a little funny thing over there, you can use your Select Body tool to select it and then delete. Now change to a side view to bring it forward. Now you can size and position your mouth using your arrows and scale handle again. Don't make the mouth too small or it won't print well. Now I will have a look from the side again. The mouth needs to be pushed back and rotated slightly. So for the final touch we will add antennas using this cylinder shape. Bring it forward, shrink it and bring it over to the head. When sizing it, make sure you don't make it too small and thin or it will break easily. I want to rotate it slightly, so I will click on the circle and use my rotation circles. Now before I copy this antenna over, I will go to a side view to make sure the antenna and the back of the head lines up perfectly. So now I can copy this one over to the other side and I know it will line up as well. There I have my worm, so now I need to change the title. By changing the title and pressing enter, you save it onto your My Projects page. Next you can click on the app switcher to switch over to Style It. There you can explore the app and color in your own worm.